Peace. Real quick, new moon today. Technically it's tomorrow. Yeah, on the 15th. Today is the 14th. You know what? I really should start checking this type of stuff before Today is the 14th. The full moon's tomorrow. I believe it's like 6 in the morning. The new moon is in Taurus. The sun is in Taurus. Okay. The degree, I think it's gonna be 22 degrees, maybe 23. So I don't remember which one. The degree is always important because of the sign within the sign called the duad. Duadism. You can Google that. But anyway, the new moon, as I've told you before, is write down what you want, especially this new moon, because this is I have Taurus. The Taurus is, like I said, materialistic aspect of your mind, what you need, you know what I'm saying, your possessions, as I said in other videos, not necessarily physical, okay? Because you have your mind, right? So, but it's an earth sign, so it more so denotes the physical things. So this is the time when you want to write down what you want, what you need, you know what I'm saying? And one thing Bobby Hemming used to always say about doing rituals and things, like, be honest, you know what I'm saying? Like, be honest, because you talking to God, right? You talking to God, but God know you, and God is real. You know what I'm saying? One thing Bobby Hemming would say, you talking to the ancestors. The ancestors is niggas. The ancestors is just like you. You know what I'm saying? So don't come to them talking about, I need me a Lexus because I like Lexuses. Or, you know what I'm saying? Give me a Bugatti or some shit. Or I need $1 million on scratch off. You know what I'm saying? Be realistic. Ask for something that you can manifest. Like something like, you know what I'm saying? I want my own company. I want to run my own business. You know what I'm saying? This is something that you can do. And you write it down or create a mantra. Writing the word is God. John chapter 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. So you understand what I'm saying? Writing it down is powerful. Speaking it is power. Both, really, you want to do both. But I know writing stuff down is kind of but you can text it too. You can go to social media and write something down. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's the same thing. Just because you're not doing this, you're doing this, you're still giving your energy to it. You see what I'm saying? So you can write it down on social media. Basically, today, tomorrow, and the next day, you want to just have a positive frame of mind as best you can, and ask for the things that you need. A higher vibrational thought will manifest faster than a lower one. Meaning, like I say, if you want to just ask for a new car, you're gonna get whatever you ask for, right? Unless you mentally block yourself. This is the game, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, if you ask for a car, you'll get it, but it might take some time. It might take you, a few new moons. You might have to write that shit down every new moon. But if you just ask for, like, understanding, you know what I'm saying? Give me the understanding of nationality. Or give me the understanding of, you know what I'm saying? A better understanding of my job. Or, you know what I'm saying? A better understanding of my wife or husband or whatever. You can ask for things that's not materialistic. Okay? So it's the new moon. I just want to keep it short and simple. Just to write down what you need, write down what you want. Taurus this is one of the more powerful ones to manifest things, just because it's Taurus. Taurus is the bull, okay, which the bull horns are the fallopian tubes of the woman, and that's why it's Satan's horns, right? It's also the Taurus hyper. Man, I'm not that smart, but anyway, it's the electromagnetic field of a magnet creates a Taurus field. You know what I'm saying? How the fuck can I explain this? Anyway, let's say you have a magnet, right? Let's say you got a magnet. Penny. All right, let's say this was a magnet. It's a quarter. Say it was a magnet. The Taurus field will go around it like that. You know what I'm saying? This would be the North Pole, that would be the South, and the field would be around it. like that, and that's the horns going up. It's literally called a Taurus something. Taurus Taurus something. But anyway, and that's what Taurus is. Like, astrology is electromagnetism and the effects that it has on the mind. That's what astrology is. So yeah. No, man. Write down what you need, write down what you want, write down world peace. Write down understandings for all your peoples. You know what I'm saying? These are higher vibrational thoughts. You don't want to just live for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You live for others. You want to do things for others, and that's how you can manifest things faster, just for the simple fact that you have other people's power empowering your thought. You understand what I'm saying? So if you just thinking, I just want me a nice house, big house, then that's you and you alone. But if you thinking, I want more people around, I want to see more people prosperous. You know what I'm saying? What can I give me something that I can help others be prosperous? You know what I mean? The universe will get that to you because you're trying to look out for others. So anyway, so peace and love. Write it down. New moon, Taurus. Take it easy.